Hey, good people, Arthur Morris here. Hope all is well. In this video, we're going to look at simplifying a sum or difference of two univariate polynomials. Okay, so with this first problem, we have x squared minus 4x plus 2 minus negative 3x squared plus 7x plus 5. All right, so the first thing you need to take care of is if a polynomial is being subtracted, you need to treat that subtraction as if it's a -1 and distribute to each term or multiply that by each term in the parentheses to the right. So it's going to change all of those signs. So if you remember back, we had a property that says if we are subtracting, then we add and change the sign of what's being subtracted. So that's what we're doing essentially. We're just going to, the easiest way to do it is distribute. You want to change that minus to a plus. So we have 1x squared minus 4x plus 2, and then plus. Now all the signs in that second parentheses will be changed since that polynomial was being subtracted, that trinomial was being subtracted. So it's a positive 3x squared minus 7x minus 5. Now from here you want to combine like terms, and you can combine like terms by keeping this horizontal, or you can write it in a vertical fashion. And what I mean by that, you can line up the like terms right over each other. So I have 1x squared, and then I have a positive 3x squared, and then I have negative 4x, and then I have a negative 7x, and then I have a positive 2 and a negative 5. So I can line up those like terms right over each other if I need to, if that helps out. So both of these are positive. That's understood to be 1, so that will give me 4x squared. Negative 4x minus 7x. So I'm taking away even more, which will drop me deeper into the negatives, negative 11x. And then positive 2 minus 5. So I start with 2, but I take away 5, so that puts me in the negative at negative 3. So after I do that, distribute that negative and change those signs, I'm just combining the like terms from there. Okay, let's try another one. All right, so this one we have 5w squared plus 6w plus 2 minus w squared plus 7w plus 3. So again, I have that subtraction. I'm subtracting a polynomial. So anytime I see a minus or a negative in front of a set of parentheses like that, where I have a polynomial in the parentheses, then I need to change those signs. So I'm going to rewrite this. And again, I'm taking this, multiplying times each one of those, which simply changes those signs. So the polynomial in the first parentheses will stay the same. Now I'm going to say plus negative 1w squared minus 7w minus 3. It changes all of those signs. So the w squared was positive, so now it's negative. All three of those terms were positive, so all three of those signs change to minus or negative. So again, you can just look at these and combine the like terms. I have 5w squared minus 1w squared plus a negative 1w squared, and 5 minus 1 gives me 4. Or you can line them up vertically. That's up to you. So I have 5w squared that I'm going to combine with the negative 1w squared, which give me 4w squared. I have positive 6w minus 7w. 6 minus 7 would put me in the negatives. Negative, understood, 1w. And then I have positive 2 minus 3, again, I'm taking away more than what I started with. So taking away 1 more than what I started with, so 2 minus 3 will give me negative 1. So that gives me 4w squared minus w minus 1. So again, you can line those up vertically, or you can leave them like it is horizontally and just combine your like terms. Either way, whatever you're comfortable with. Alrighty, let's look at one more. And if you want to pause the video and try this one, that's fine. Um, Now this one's a little bit different. We don't have a subtraction or a negative in front of a set of parentheses, so we don't have to change any signs here. All we need to do now is combine the like terms. So we don't have to change any signs. Like we'll go back to number 5, we had a minus in front of this set of parentheses. We had to change those signs. This one, we don't have a minus or a negative in front of the parentheses, so we don't change the signs. We just combine the like terms. So again, you can do this vertically or horizontally. I'll do this vertically again just for those who want to see it. So negative 3u squared, and then in my other parentheses I had a positive 3u squared. Then I had a 2u in my first parentheses, first polynomial. In the second polynomial we had a 5u, a positive 5u. If you want to put a plus there, that's fine. You don't have to, but if you want to, if that makes it easier for you, that's fine. And then in the first parentheses we had negative 4, and we didn't have a regular integer in the second parentheses or a regular number in the second parentheses, so it's no need to put anything under it unless you want to put a 0 underneath there. All right, so negative 3u squared plus 3u squared, they're complete opposites, so they cancel each other completely out. 2u plus 5u, that's 7u. Just bring down that negative 4, it becomes minus 4, or 7u minus 4. Alrighty, good people. Hope you found this video to be helpful. I will see you on the next one.